Hello, today we will talk about bilirubin. What is unconjugated, conjugated, and total bilirubin? Why this test is done? What are the conditions in which bilirubin may be increased? So, first of all, what is bilirubin? Bilirubin is a yellow colored pigment which is formed by breakdown of hemoglobin in the RBCs. What is unconjugated, conjugated, and total bilirubin? When hemoglobin is broken down, it first forms unconjugated bilirubin, which is attached to proteins. When unconjugated bilirubin enters liver, the proteins are removed and bilirubin attaches with sugars. This is known as conjugated bilirubin. Now, by tests, we can measure separate values of unconjugated and conjugated bilirubin. If the both values are added, we get total bilirubin. Why is this test done? If the doctor has suspicion that the patient may have some liver disease, the patient has swelling over the body, or yellow discoloration of skin or sclera, or the patient has itching, which is known as pruritus, the doctor may ask for this test. How is this test done? For this test, a blood sample is needed. The blood sample is usually collected from the arm of the patient. Are there any special instructions for the patient before test? No special instructions are given to the patient before test. The sample can be given at any time as per the convenience of patient. What are the normal values for unconjugated, conjugated and total bilirubin? For unconjugated bilirubin, values up to 1.2 milligrams per deciliter of blood are considered normal. For unconjugated bilirubin, values up to 0.3 milligrams per deciliter are considered normal. And for total bilirubin, values up to 1.4 milligrams per deciliter of blood are considered normal. However, these values can vary slightly according to different laboratories. What can cause increased bilirubin in adults? In adults, liver diseases like cirrhosis or hepatitis can increase bilirubin. Apart from these, hemolytic anemias or gallstones, obstruction to the bile duct, a stone in bile duct, these things can also lead to increased bilirubin. The doctor also requires information about the type of bilirubin which is increasing to completely diagnose the condition. For example, in hemolytic anemias, unconjugated bilirubin will increase. What causes increased bilirubin in infants? In infants, a condition known as erythroblastosis vitellis can increase the bilirubin. In this condition, there is incompatibility in the blood group of mother and the fetus. Apart from these, hemoglobinopathies or any congenital defect in the hemoglobin of the child can result in increased bilirubin. Certain infections can also lead to increased bilirubin in infants.